Hi, my name is Abby and I'm from Dublin.
Hi, I'm Sarah and I'm from Wicklow.
And we went to Penneys today to get a few bits for camp.
So we're going to show you our camp essentials.
This time here. Speaker is so good to have at camp, especially during shower hour. For the kids, they love to have a bit of a disco when they're in the shower, so it's great to have some music. And then also on your days off, really nice to have if you're at the lake or at the beach, having some music on is so nice.
Last year we put on Taylor Swift's new album when it came out for the girls on the speakers, and it was one of our favourite days at camp with watching them all get so excited for their new album. So speakers essential. I think I'm going to get this for the lake. Waterproof case for my phone. Staff week, you are always out on the lake with your friends as well as during camp hours with the kids, so being able to record those moments if you're allowed to by your camp is so special. Going out on the Whibbit and getting some shots of people like jumping off the Whibbit or swimming in or swimming around, going on the paddle boards. Be so much fun at camp, so I think I'm going to put this in my basket.
Yeah, a suitcase like mine's the size of this one. I got like a giant suitcase. And I don't think backpacks are good, but I think the US is really accessible when it comes to traveling after camp, so a suitcase won't make any odds.
Packing cubes are so essential for camp because we just have like shelves as cubbies to put your clothes away. So what I did was wrote on the front of it what was in the packing cube, so like shorts, tops, dresses, skirts, and then I put those in my cubby facing out, so then I could read. Like there were shorts in these ones, so I could just take out the shorts pile, go through all of them and put them back in, and everything could stay like neat and tidy. Packing cubes are so handy for when you're traveling, but they're also very good for camp. Very handy, especially for a long haul flight like going to America.
Yeah.
I love having these. And some of the girls take out the padding and they'll like put extra clothes in it if they're really struggling. So I definitely use one of these on the plane.
I'm an eye mask.
An eye mask girl.
Yeah, it's an eye mask. I sleep with one of these every night, so camp's not going to be an exception. Definitely have to bring one of these with me. They're great for the plane and they're great for in the bunk.
I think getting some full piece suits for camp is really good because in our camp you have to wear one piece when you're at the lake or at the pool.
Ooh,
getting at least
so nice.
one pair of tracksuit bottoms is really handy because it gets quite cold at night.
You can never have too many socks at camp.
No.
100%. Like socks are essential for camp and you can never have too many. They always get eaten up by the washing machine at camp.
We have crazy sock day, so the crazier the better. So things like these actually aren't crazy enough for my camp, so we're going to have to go hunting for some cool pairs. But grabbing a few of these will be really handy for camp. I brought 3 with me last year and I wore them all the time and I wish I brought more. Flip-flops or shower shoes, really nice to be able to just throw on a pair of shower shoes and hop in and they will last you all summer.
I got some scrunchies. These are my camp colours, white and blue, so I think these are so fitting to have and they're really good for your hair, so I love to have these.
So last year at camp I brought a Irish football jersey and I also brought a Irish flag, which I wrote my division and the year under it, and then I got all my kids to sign it throughout the summer, and it was so special to bring home. Both me and one of my friends wear claddagh rings, which are a traditional Irish ring, and all my international friends ended up pointing it out and asking us like, could we get them one? And it was just a really nice way to bring our culture to camp, and everyone really valued it and supported it as well.
I might have to do the same idea with the flag. I love that. The kids were so fascinated about me being from Ireland and they were asking me so many questions. So some of the kids didn't even know we had our own language, so it's really nice just to chat about it, and also you get to learn about everybody else's culture as well. So definitely worth a think. So like what kind of things you could teach everyone.